people? Today we will be making the Dragon Spine monster truck racing thing, racing arena ramp, giant ramp. We're gonna try to make it. Trying to make it is what we got so far. Starting off Dragon Spine, creating an arena. Got these 3 trucks to use. Let's go. So we're actually building this from like a circuit board tech deck thing, and it shows you on the back the Dragon Spine. We have the quarter pipe, the roll-in quarter pipe right now. We're gonna build the rest, and we got to start with this part. I'm not quite sure how we're supposed to build this. So it looks like we actually have to build it from this part, from the top part, so we're going to do that. Okay, so we need another... Okay, so this is like the top ramp thing. Wait. Aw, crap. I don't have, like... Ooh, I don't have enough ramps. Do I? Hold on. Okay, so it turns out I don't have enough ramps. I'm missing 1 ramp. But, I can improvise, I guess. There's not anything else in here, so... let's do this, I guess. I'm gonna take one of the ramps from the quarter pipe. This is what it looks like, it should look like. At least somewhat. Yeah, so we're missing 1 ramp for some reason. Okay, so I again tried to find it, and I could not. So, I'll just have to do this. We'll have to do it without the end pipe. With the end quarter pipe. It'll be similar, though. Okay. So, yeah. This is kind of hard to do. Okay. Dang it. Ow, that hurts. That hurts. That really hurts. Oh, God. Okay. For a second, I'm like, oh, man, do we not have enough of these little things? But we do. We have enough. Okay. Yeah. This is so hard to do. Just... Okay, so... Getting these on. I think it goes on like this. Okay. Alright, first part. It's done. Oh god, we're so friggin' long in. So it's been a minute since I recorded, and I have this much done. It's actually pretty good partway through. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty epic. I'm gonna move this a bit so we can have enough space. I'm gonna adjust my tripod a bit. Like a lot. I'm adjusted a lot. Ah, crap. Sorry, just adjusting this. And, okay. We can have a better view, I suppose, of it. No. Okay. We got another ramp next. It is this. And what we have to do. Okay. It looks like what I've got to do is connect these. Seeing this? I can't tell because I'm not over there. The only thing is it's kind of weird because like half the stuff isn't connected to each other. Oh crap. Where's that? There we go. Ah crap. There's so much stuff on it. I swear. There's so many pegs on this thing. Okay. So yeah, people, I'm about to start it. We friggin' finished it. We're starting with the mini grave digger. He accidentally did a friggin' wheelie. Okay. No, good. Regular. Sorry, grave digger. Actually, should move some stuff. That's pretty cool, I suppose. Now we should actually like use it for its purpose. So I just want to do one tech deck, which this was made for actual tech decks, so you know. Nice. I'm gonna do slow-mo with the monster trucks. So yeah, not super exciting, but you know, it was pretty fun to make that. So I haven't seen the slow-mos yet. I just recorded them. So yeah, but I am gonna see them when I'm editing this video, so that'll be pretty cool. Hopefully they're awesome. It's been pretty fun. This was just kind of a thing I wanted to do. Never made the dragon spine before. I really wish, though. Oh, hold on. So I was about to be like, oh, I'm really disappointed. I didn't get to do the half pipe, because that would have been so epic, the half pipe at the end, because I needed one more ramp and I didn't have that. But I'm like, you know what, we just take the top off of it and we put the top ramp on the bottom. It totally works. Let's do this. Okay, so this is the new thing. We're doing this backdraft. Yo, dang, it probably doesn't work with these. Okay, now we got Gravedigger. Oh, and he goes by himself. Now we got the 1/64 scale Gravedigger. I call him Mini Digger. Come on. Ah, dang it. Hold on, let's try this again. Ah, dang it. Hold on, let's try this. Ah, dang it. Seriously. Oh, crap. Yeah, I'm trying to get this to, like, flip out. Like, not in the... Ah, dang, I guess that's as close as we're gonna get. Dang it. Oh, hold on. If we just... I guess that's about as close as we're gonna get. That's pretty fun. See you all later.